case how to clear YouTube search history on any iPhone. So the first step, of course, open up your YouTube app, and then if you tap on the gear icon, you will see a different search recent history. So to clear one of them, next to any of these searches, you just need to swipe from right to left, hold finger and swipe from right to left. I will show you exactly what you should do. Just swipe it and tap on delete. Just swipe it and delete. Alright, it's a first trick. And second one, to delete all your search history, you just need to go to your profile. Tap on profile over here, then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen, and then simply tap on manage all history over here. Alright, once you're here, you will see an option next to this like battery icon. Tap on delete. You just need to tap on this specific icon, delete, and you will see option delete custom range and delete all time. And you of course can delete only today history. So you just tap on delete all time and proceed to delete.